What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty and we are back doing some maintenance work on my dad's owner-operator 2016 Cascadia, and we do have a small little issue. The oil does need to be changed. It's been like 40,000 miles, and he is losing a little bit of oil pressure, and we know exactly why. We're going to be taking off the oil pan and we'll be showing you guys how to repair this job by yourself. The oil pump rings do get hardened and it starts seeping in air and you start losing a little bit of oil pressure. So we're going to be changing those rings. We're going to show you guys how to do it. Also, we're going to do a full oil change. Alrighty, let's get into this beast. We got a 10-speed. You know, my dad doesn't like automatics. I like the automatics, but he doesn't. We got to start up the truck. This truck has 363,000 miles. That's actually not a lot, but it is time to change those O-rings. Right when you have slightly lower oil pressure than usual, that's when you know you have to change them. We also have a slight other issue, which I'm not going to get into right now, but we're going to fix it real quick off camera. I could do a separate video on it, but it's actually super simple. The dev system blow-by right here is activated, and we have a engine 1 code right now, so we're gonna check that out real quick, fix it, and then we're gonna do the oil change. First step is to drain the oil, and we're doing that now with this nice Slavic ghetto rigging, but it's a little press. You press it in and the oil comes out. There's no bolts or anything like that on this one. Old oil out, black, she black. And then we got the new 15W40 Shell Rotella synthetic blend. We got 11 gallons, and we're gonna put that in after we change the O-rings. Next step is to take off the oil pan and change these gaskets right here.
Що то за проводка така торчить? Запарили вони. Так, все.
Check all the bolts.
Okay.
Little by little.
Надо поднимать этот сам. Не вкатую.
Куда там крат? She's all unbolted, but we cannot get the pan off without actually picking up this front axle a little bit. I mean, not picking it up, but dropping it down so we can slide this pan out. Oh. All right.
4 bolt, take off. Бачиш? Опа!
Oh.
Опа, відро, бігом. Вода чи антифриз був, то яка разниця. Якось витягнути.
2 bolts, 4 bolts here, да?
Да, 4 болт. Це витягується і тільки резинки.
Oh, okay. Oh, and it takes out from there, and there's seals on each end.
Да.
Everything's plastic, huh? Oh, more oil.
Зараз все посливаємо і поміняємо. І лицю сразу витягнути.
We gotta wiggle them out and take these pipes out. It just has a seal at the end. Okay, 2 seals go on one pipe. Okay, so 2 big ones, да? The other pipe has the smaller ones?
Да.
Okay.
Так. Вот так вот. Раз.
Nice.
Все. Так, ну, це все.
This is the old one. Oh yeah.
Все, стало нормально?
Yep.
Все, ставляємо на
Fresh.
місце.
Now back it in.
О, все, зашло.
Clicked in.
Да, зашло, отлично.
All right, just pops in.
Next.
Okay, next side is smaller pipe. Gotta pop it out of its seal. Okay, that one was harder than we thought it was. Look at my dad. Oh man.
Весь в глаза попался.
Масло в глаза, it's healthy, it's good.
Да. For protect for coronavirus.
Yeah. Oil's good protection. Gets the smaller seals.
Okay. Next side.
New one. Delete that.
Okay, все. Good. Там ще один.
All right, we got one more for this thing. All right, pop it back in there.
О, бачиш, це стало.
Yep, that popped in nice. The last one goes on here, and it's the inlet right here, да?
Да. Yes.
Okay. Oh yeah, this one's a nice thin one. The old. Good to go. Back in.
А це вставляється сюди. А це сюди. А ну не треба толкатися.
You gotta push up on it.
О, встало.
Pop the O-rings in.
Сейчас. Це. А, встало.
There you go.
Easy. Болт сюди. Наживляємо, потім тільки імпактом бах-бах і все. Finish. Так, все, сынок.
Wow, nice. Well guys, that's it. It's actually pretty simple, but it's a very, very messy job. That's what you can see underneath this Detroit. I mean, it's pretty simple actually. This pipe right here is all plastic, and this is where it sucks up the oil, carries it to the oil pump right there. And the seals are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seals total, and it's good to go. Now we're about to clean her up a little bit and put this pan back on and do the oil change. All right, let's put it back in.
Ну, осторожно.
No, попробуй, взяв. А ну, все, вверх. Що, вверх, а ну, ти тримай. Крови не запотило?
Ні, нормально. Да, нормально. Сейчас я поджимаю, а так
And we are all done. She is all secure. There is a little bit of oil right there, but it's fine. We're gonna clean her up a little bit and change the filter and then add this oil. The oil filter on these Detroit engines is on top. It could be confusing from this and this. This is where you put the oil, obviously. This is where the oil filter is, and this is fuel filter. Gotta get a big socket size to unscrew it. Oh, there we go.
все, давай сюда, сын.
Put the new one on. All right. Well, the hardest part was just the oil pan, dropping it and changing those seals for the oil pump. But you don't have to do that all the time. You only have to do it. My dad wanted to do it because he knows it hasn't been done on this truck. It's already at 300 plus K miles. That's actually, you're supposed to do it at about half a mil, 500, or, you know, just to be safe, 350. And that's what he's done. So last but not least, let's put this oil in and we are almost done.
Так, все 4 канистры.
Well, there goes 10 gallons. We're probably gonna need one more, but let's go start it up and check the level. All right, we got like some ramps right there. Let's take it off the ramps and then we can check the oil level. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't drove a stick in in about a year, so, but I mean, it's simple stuff. Warmed her up a little bit and we're about to check the oil. After everything drips down a little bit, we'll check. It should be all good. If not, we have another gallon to add, and we're actually gonna take this thing for a quick joyride around town because we did do a little bit of other maintenance stuff off camera, obviously, that I told you guys in the beginning about that check engine light stuff. And we're gonna take it for a quick spin, make sure she's all Gucci. And we got nothing. That's because we took the whole pump system out and drained all the oil out of there, so it's like empty. Let's add the rest of that gallon. And we are good. It's exactly half. Obviously, my dad's gonna buy another gallon just to add a little bit more and keep some on the road because, you know, old truck eats a little bit of oil, maybe over time of 20K. So, you know, always add a little bit, but it's good to go for now. All right, let's take her on a trip real quick, probably about 5-10 minutes. Make sure she's all good. Alrighty, we have checked everything on the truck and she is good to go. No leaks of any kind. It runs and drives awesome and she is ready to go back on the road. My dad still has a little bit of stuff to do on the trailer, but we are done with the oil change and the oil pump rings and seals, or whatever you want to call them. They are done and this truck is ready to go. So I appreciate it, guys, for watching. Stick tuned to other videos I have coming. I actually have, as you guys can see, my yard right here, a lot of stuff working on. There's a lot of parts trucks. That's a parts truck. The banana truck is also a parts truck. You guys know behind the banana truck is a 2019 Volvo VNL rebuild that I am doing. I'm not going to show you guys back there. As of right now, there's some secrets coming up very soon. So stick tuned, subscribe, like. So I appreciate it, guys. Deuces.